Welcome to our What's New in SOLIDWORKS 2019 series. I'm Connor, and I'm going to take you through some of the new part modelling features. As is common in today's design world, the handle of this electric surfboard uses complex curved geometry. This may have been created in industrial software or scanned in from a physical model. Having been enhanced in the previous release, SOLIDWORKS has excellent capabilities in reading in mesh data. Here, we're importing a .3mf file. Turning on the edges confirms to us that this is a mesh body. Our ideal outcome is to convert this to a standard SOLIDWORKS body. To do this, we'll use the new slicing tool. We pick a starting plane, then define a number of planes at selected offset distances which intersect our mesh body. A new sketch is created on each plane, each containing an intersection curve with our mesh body, and stored in a folder in the feature tree. The sketches and planes are parametric, and as you can see, the position of the plane can be adjusted, and the sketch will automatically adjust with it. Hiding the mesh body away, we can now use the Surface Loft tool to replicate the mesh body, and it does a good job. The handle is going to be made in two parts, therefore we'll split the surface using a central plane. We can use the Projector Curve tool to project a logo onto both bodies. We'll do this by dragging a sketch block and selecting the feature. Notice, I can project a multi-contour sketch bidirectionally onto two separate bodies. Previously, this would have taken 2 sketches and 4 features to achieve the same result. Moving back to the assembly, you'll notice that the button is a surface body. We want to get rid of the characters on the face. In previous releases, we would select an open surface edge and hit delete on our keyboard. But without its own toolbar icon, the tool could be something of an Easter egg. In this release, we can find delete face on the surfacing toolbar, and it has its own property manager in the sidebar. It looks like there's interference between the cable and the handle, so we can check this by running interference detection. To remove this interference, we'll add a chamfer to the handle. SOLIDWORKS 2019 supports partial chamfers and fillets. There are various ways to control the start and end offsets. Here we just drag the control points. This will work just the same with asymmetric chamfers and fillets. With 2019, SOLIDWORKS continues to deepen and expand its suite of part modelling tools. To recap, we've demonstrated the slicing tool, deleting holes from surfaces, projector curve enhancements, and partial fillets and chamfers.